Let's make a couple saltfish fritters. So in this bowl here I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour. I have a half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of white pepper, and about a 1/4 teaspoon of ground Scotch bonnet. I have 3 cloves of garlic minced. I have a half of a small onion, 1 green onion, 2 small tomatoes, and a pinch of red pepper dice. Now here's my saltfish, washed and deboned and cooked, deboned, and break up in small pieces. Now I'm going to add my water and get it to the consistency that I want it. I forgot my thyme. I want to put a few leaves from a few sprigs of thyme in here. Fresh thyme. Okay, this is about the consistency I like. Not too thin and not too thick. Okay, so I'm heating up my oil, so when I come back, we'll get ready to fry these up. Okay, so I just tested the oil and it's ready. Alright, so I got the nice golden color I'm looking for on them. So my first batch is completed. Alright, I like to use my air fryer basket sometimes for to drain fry stuff instead of going to find one of my baking pan at the rack. Alright guys, my Jamaican saltfish fritters are done. Yes, I just took a nib off of that one. So yummy. Thank you guys. Hope you enjoyed this one.